Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? The brand new Blackstone. Oh, man. Pizza oven, folks. Did a review on it. I'm going to leave that down below if you don't want to see it. But in the very first pizza I made on here, I burnt it. Looking for a little redemption here. We're going to do easy peasy pepperoni pizza on the all-new Blackstone. Let's get going. Got her fired up, folks. Some people are going to ask, Tom, how'd you burn the first pizza? Well, this thing gets incredibly hot. I'll leave the link down below. When I did steak on here, 1,000 degrees this thing will get. You don't need it that hot for pizza, folks. We just want to get it around 600 degrees. Remember, we've got a cast iron plate down below. Then we've got our plate up there. And then that's a ceramic plate up there also, so it reflects the heat down. Temperatures right now here in southeastern Wisconsin are in the upper teens, so it's a little colder out today. And then we've got this thing right here, which isn't a temperature gauge. It just kind of shows you when it's right. That, in my opinion, needs to be replaced, folks. And keep on watching because we are making the first side table for this pizza oven, which it should have. But I'm going to show you how to do that for less than 50 bucks. Let's get that pizza. All right, so this is the dough that I use. I get this at my local grocery store here in southeastern Wisconsin and in Wisconsin, a place called Woodman's. And I love this stuff. And I proofed it all day and had it in the oven on proofing. And I just hand did this out to here. And now I'm going to roll it, make it wider. And then we've got our sauce, got our cheese. And then what you don't see is the pepperoni. Super simple to do. Keep on going. Yeah, that's after like less than 5 minutes, folks. This thing is crazy, and that's what caused me to burn the first pizza, because I'm used to the original, and the original would take 10 minutes or so to get up to temp. And this thing right here, and I've already throttled back. You can see where I am at with the controls. I've already throttled back, and that was my downfall. So I throttled this back, and if anything, I'll turn it up when I put the pizza on. Oh, by the way, pay no attention to that thing. Worthless. Folks, doing this for a couple years now, that's the most round pizza I've ever made. I don't know how I did that by mistake, but that's almost perfect. Sauce is on. I like to season it at this point. Check out this fire and water, all-purpose black garlic seasoning. Oh, perfect on there. And then a little bit of the semolino flour underneath. That's just ground noodles, and that works pretty well to get it off the peel. And cheese. Pepperoni, little cheese on top of it. I don't know, there is a difference here between this and the original. The original one was not cast iron, and the cast iron is just radiating heat faster than the old one. 700s. I got this flame turned down all the way. Give about a minute to cool down, 2 minutes to cool down, and then that pizza's going. All right, looking for some redemption here. Easy peasy pepperoni pizza. Don't walk away. As you notice, I went with a smaller pizza, and I just turned it up because I want that wraparound of heat to get into the top of the pizza. Give you a look. Cooking right in front of you. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Getting ready, folks. Only been about a minute and a half. Gonna be perfect. There it is. Very nice. It's a semolino starch on fire. Give you a look. See at the easy peasy pepperoni pizza. Bottom's perfect. Oh man. All right, so one thing I've learned is that the old grill, because I think the steel was thicker that the stone fits on, that it took longer to heat up. The cast iron that's on there, the stone on top of it, 5 minutes at 600 degrees. And 600 degrees is what you're looking for. I was a little higher than that, turned it down, and that's what it takes to dial it in. Easy peasy pepperoni pizza on the new Blackstone pizza oven, folks. Oh man. Thanks for watching. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.